Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Lightning Web Components, LWC, is a modern framework for building components on Salesforce's Lightning platform. Preparing for an LWC interview, especially with a focus on the practices and strategies relevant to 2023, requires a solid understanding of the core concepts, best practices, and coding techniques. Overview of LWC. LWC is built on web standards and uses a component-based architecture. Each component is encapsulated, reusable, and can be composed to create complex UIs. It leverages modern JavaScript and HTML, making it performant and easy to work with for web developers. Key concepts to understand. 1. Component structure. An LWC component consists of an HTML file, a JavaScript file, a CSS file, and a configuration file. Example structure. myComponent / myComponent.html, myComponent.js, myComponent.css, myComponent.js meta.xml. 2. Data binding. LWC uses reactive properties, meaning that any change in the JavaScript property automatically updates the UI. 3. Events. You can create custom events to communicate between components. 4. API. Use @API, @track, and @wire decorators for properties and methods to define how data flows. 5. Apex integration. You can call Apex methods from your LWC components using the @wire service or imperative calls. Example component. Let's create a simple LWC component that fetches data from an Apex class and displays it. Apex class. First, create an Apex class that retrieves a list of accounts. Apex / account controller.cls. Public with sharing class account controller. @or enabled, cacheable equals true. Public static list account get accounts. Return select ID, name from account limit 10. LWC component. Now, create the LWC component to display these accounts. 1. HTML file, myComponent.html. HTML. Template. Lightning card title equals account list. Template if true equals accounts. ul. Template for each equals accounts for item equals account. Leakey equals account.id account.name /lee. /template. /ul. /template. Template if true equals error. div class equals slds text color _ error /div. /template. /lightning card. /template. 2. JavaScript file, myComponent.js. JavaScript. Import lightning element, wire from LWC. Import get accounts from @Salesforce /apex /account controller.getAccounts. Export default class myComponent extends lightning element. Accounts. Error. @wire, get accounts. Wired accounts, error, data. If, data. This .accounts equals data. This .error equals undefined. Else if, error. This .error equals error.body.message. This .accounts equals undefined. 3. CSS file, myComponent.css. CSS. / add your component specific styles here */. 4. Configuration file, myComponent.js meta.xml. XML. XML version equals 1.0 encoding equals UTF-8. Lightning Component Bundle XMLNS equals http://soap.com/2006/04/metadata FQN equals my component. API version 57.0/API version. Is exposed true/is exposed. Targets. Target lightning __ page/target. Target lightning __ record page/target. Target lightning __ homepage/target. /targets. /lightning component bundle. Preparing for the interview. Here are some tips for preparing for an LWC interview. 1. Understand key concepts. Be well versed in LWC lifecycle hooks, decorators, and how to manage component communication. 2. Hands-on practice. Build components that utilize data from Salesforce, work with events, and demonstrate a clear understanding of the component lifecycle. 3. Review Apex integration. Be ready to discuss how to call Apex methods efficiently and handle errors. 4. Common patterns. Familiarize yourself with common design patterns in LWC, such as composition, state management, and handling asynchronous operations. 5. Stay updated. Salesforce releases updates 3 times a year. Familiarize yourself with the new features and improvements in the latest release, Winter 24. Conclusion. A solid understanding of Lightning Web Components, along with hands-on coding experience and knowledge of best practices, will significantly boost your confidence during interviews. Be prepared to discuss your experience with LWC, and practice coding examples similar to the one provided. Good luck with your interview at ForceGalaxy or any other organization.